Hi, Mom. How are you? At first, let me tell you that I miss you so much, and all the family too. We are fine. We are knowing this new neighborhood. We are knowing touristic places, and we are meeting new friends. I wish you to come soon to know this amazing city with us. At first, let me tell you that when we arrived, we had a lot of things to do. We had to organize the house with my husband and the kids. We felt so exhausted when we finished, but we felt so proud of us. We did a good job. I think you will agree with me when you to visit us. Now, let me describe you the house. In the house, there is a corridor, there is a kitchen, there is a dinner room, we have a library, and in the house we have 10 windows because the view is beautiful. You can see the trees, the mountains, and we have a big garden, a beautiful garden. Um, but at the moment we have just one bathroom with a toilet area. Next year we are going to continue building the other one. Upstairs on the second floor there are 3 rooms. One of them is your bedroom, Mom. It's spacious and it has a beautiful closet. The other one is Daniel's room. It's bigger. And then it is the other room. It's our bedroom. It's right side to the TV room. About our daily routine, I will tell you that we wake up at 4 a.m. every day. But the child, we wake up him at 5 a.m. We take the shower, put the clothes, prepare and have the breakfast. We pack up our bags, brush our teeth, get the car, and we go to the school. At 7 a.m. we begin classes and we finish at 3 p.m. Then we have to go with the child to his sports. He practices volleyball and tennis, and he has music classes. We finish more or less at 5 or 6 p.m. We arrive home and we always drink coffee. We talk about our day and other things, and then we water in the garden. We have dinner and go walking. And finally our son takes a shower, goes to bed, and then we continue with our particular activities until 11 or 12 p.m. Then we go to bed. About the city, you know that we are living in a small town, but near this little town is Jamundi. Jamundi is small too, but it's a very nice city. As you know, I live in a super calm town. It's a perfect environment to raise a child. Here in Jamundi there are enough stores, gym, supermarkets, drugstores, and restaurants. In the town there are beautiful churches. You will love it. But if you want to know a big city, Cali is the place. It's near from Jamundi. It's a beautiful place, but if you prefer to live in calm, Jamundi is the place. I just go to Cali when it's necessary. So, Mom, I hope that you to come to visit us, and I'm sure that you are going to enjoy this lovely place. I have to sleep the child, but tomorrow I will continue telling you more. See you soon. Love you so much. Bye.